Hello, it's Sharif here with Engadget. We're looking at the new Note 2 from Samsung. I'm joined by Ryan from Samsung, and you're going to guide us through this.
Absolutely.
What's new?
So first thing you'll notice is when you remove the S Pen, we've now actually got, it's context aware, so it knows we've pulled the S Pen out and actually brings up an S Pen specific screen. I mean, while you're looking at the device, you'll obviously notice larger screen. It's 5.5 inch Super AMOLED Plus.
Sure.
It's 16 by 9 instead of 16 by 10, so
sure.
The device is actually a little bit narrow. Feels great in the hand.
How's the thickness compared to the first Note?
So it's actually a little bit thinner as well at 8.9 millimeters. So a little bit thinner.
8.9
or 9.4?
9.4.
9.4.
9.4 millimeters. So
my apologies.
Yeah. So we're thinner and
a little bit thinner, bigger screen. Keep about the same weight, but we've also got a much larger battery in there, so it's a 3100 milliamp hour, so you get much better battery life. The other thing that's really unique is what we've done is we've enabled hover with the pen, so you can do a lot of new things with the UI. You can kind of see the cursor there following me around on the screen.
I see. So we've got a hover. Yeah, it's got hover recognition.
So let me show you what that actually does. I'm going to go into the gallery. So I've got a gallery. Back out of here. So you can kind of see with the different albums here, if I actually hover over, let me find one that's got a couple of images in it. So if I hover, it actually goes up and expands what's in that folder.
I see.
So, and let me kind of show you one of the other things that's pretty cool. So I'm going to launch a video here.
That's the quick preview function, that's what you're calling it?
Yeah. So in this gallery, what's actually pretty cool is we've got different views. So you can now organize your folders, create new folders, move things around a lot more easily. Got a couple of interesting new views of the content.
Nice. Spiral, nice.
So let me, doing demos in real time. So I'm going to back out of this for a sec here. Let me launch a video and kind of show you some of the other cool stuff we've done.
So you've got a hover function for video?
So part of what we've done, so hover's enabled throughout the UI and just allows you to do really cool things. So you saw the zoom. What I can also do here is if I hover on over the timeline, I can actually jump to a specific place in the video if I want.
Very
cool. I'm looking for.
And then when you tap, it goes there.
Yeah, taps goes directly there. We've got pop-up play, so great feature from the Galaxy S3. But now it's also resizable. So I can zoom in and out of that video, and obviously move it around, place it anywhere I want to on screen. The S Pen. What we've done, we've changed the tip material. It's now a little more rubberized, so better feeling on screen. And then it's also much higher level of pressure sensitivity, so 10, 24 levels of pressure sensitivity. A lot of the great stuff that we did with the Galaxy Note 10.1 we brought over to this.
So specs-wise, it's the same S Pen that we saw with the Note 10.1, which means we're getting over 1,000 levels of pressure sensitivity versus 256 that we had on the original Note.
Exactly.
Okay, great.
Same features, like quick note and pop it up. I can now move this around all over the screen. Make it full size if I want to. I continue working. And so basically taking all of those great features that you loved in the original Note, adding them to a lot of the advances that we made with the Galaxy S3, and just really refining and optimizing the user experience around the S Pen and its new hover capabilities.
Great stuff. And now just a couple of things. There's something new here about the stylus, which is it's the rubber tip.
Yeah. So yeah, we changed the tip material, so when you're writing on the Note, it feels a lot better. It's not just, doesn't feel like the original where it kind of felt like it was sliding around a little bit. You get a bit of traction and a bit of friction. So it feels like a lot more natural.
Great. Did you show us the removal of the pen and the alarm function?
Oh yeah. So when you pull it out, it jumps to this customized page where you can set the S Pen apps that you want to have available for launch. But then, because the S Pen is now such an integral part of the device, if you leave this behind and I walk away, the device will actually alert me that I've left my S Pen behind, so we can go back.
Because it knows it's being shaken, like it's being put away in a pocket, but the pen isn't connected.
Exactly, right? So it knows that the motion sensor's been in action, I've been moving around, but there's no S Pen in there, so it'll give you an alert.
Very cool. Okay, so that's quite a good overview of the software changes. We're off to now go and explore some of just the hardware specs. Cheers, Ryan.
Thanks.